Right, let's get this door trim around the window replaced. As you can see, it's pretty rotten. You know, it's burst. It's got water in it. It's just rotted out. It makes the car look horrible. You know, let's get it off. So I'll open the door in a second. Took the door card off because I thought there's some extra screws on the inside for the quarter trim, but there wasn't. So yeah, quite easy to do. So let's crack on and get it sorted. Trusty Passat saved today again. It's not been used since its MOT start of last month. Just parked it up and been busy since, you know how it is. So yeah, let's get some charge in it. I'll open the window. Well, that was pretty easy. Just literally started there, just pulled off. So let's give all this a clean. Fortunately, in this corner where they always have a pantry to go, it's pretty good. So fortunate enough, door's pretty good. Just got a sort of couple of little dents out on there. Job's a good one, but I couldn't be living that anymore. So let's crack on. Right, all done, back on. Just gotta fluff around with this a little bit just to make it look a little bit nicer. That bottom corner was a bit of a pain to get in, but otherwise it's gone on a treat. Just need to put some sealant on it or whatever just to make it nice. I'm gonna cover the end, take that back off and cover the ends so it doesn't end up sweating again through there. So yeah, there we go. Another nice little thing with this car. It looks like that door card's never been off, and that foam is still the original from when it was built in 1991. So yeah, it's pretty surprising. But again, something that people have a tendency to forget about with old cars is that stuff like foams deteriorate over time. As you can see, like the foam that's up on this quarter piece here on the inside, I'll show you, just started to basically break up and deteriorate, pretty manky. So it's just stuff like that people don't really consider. You know, this is all the stuff that essentially you end up breathing in. It's all inside like your heater matrix boxes and things like that behind your dashboard. It's on all your wiring. So, you know, just think about stuff like this. To be honest with you, when you're buying cars, it's not just the rust on the body, it's stuff like this that can get to you as well. Another little moan, modern cars. Why can't we just go back to simple stuff like this, where screws in places where you can just take them off? No, don't have these stupid pain in the backside plastic clips that shatter. There's a couple of little screws in places like, you know, you can get to. You know, it just makes things so much quicker, so much easier. I understand for the production thing, but yeah, like I was saying before, I was interrupted by the parcel man. I understand for production side that makes things a bit quicker, but you've got to think about the people at the other side that are, you know, fixing these things. You know, labour times through the roof, special tools galore. Just simple screws, please, bring them back. Right, done, all back together, back on, looks lovely. You know, 10-15 minutes at most to do that. Modern car, you're probably talking 10-15 minutes, just take the door card off. But yeah, why not? Just so easy to work on these cars compared to that, or even that, or them over there. You know, so let's give it a bit of a clean, because I'm at the Gold Cup tomorrow at Park. So let's crack on.